I want you guys to so learn and master this trading skill that you would quit your job and start trading full time. That is the goal. I'm in a short position on USOil this morning, and you can see price has triggered my entry already. I took this trade from 15 minutes. So I'm just going to be showing you the analysis, right? So you guys know I love multiple time frame analysis a lot. So this is daily time frame, and you guys can see what is going on here. You guys can see that we are bearish here, and then you guys can see we have this reconstruction here. We got this reconstruction here, and then price reacted from this other block. You can see price reacted from this other block, so price going all upward here to mitigate our bearish other block here. So we have a break construction to the downside here. This is a break construction to the downside. Okay, like this, and this is the higher time frame. Let me adjust this so you guys can see properly. Okay, so this right here is a break construction to the downside, and then we have this other block here that price reacted from. You can see when price got to that other block, price reacted from that other block, and you can see you can see the reaction. Let's go to 4 hours. So you can see the reaction from this other block. So now I'm expecting price to come into this level. Let's go to the daily time frame again. So we have the daily order block here. So I'm expecting price to dump right into this level. When we have multiple break construction to the downside, it's a confirmation that we are bearish. That means we have more sellers in the market pushing price downward. So I'm expecting price to come right down into this to hit my take profit here. So that is what I'm expecting today. So that is what I'm expecting. So I'm just going to patiently wait for this trade to play out. So let's see how it goes. Is it going to hit my take profit or stop loss? Anything can happen in the market. So let's see how it goes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Precious here. In case you're seeing me for the first time, how are you guys doing? It's been a minute, guys. You guys have started my free forex trading course here on YouTube, and I'm doing that because I want to reach out to my community. I want to make sure you guys are not left behind. I want to include you guys in the conversation. I want you to stop running from one signals group to the other and paying for signals and not still getting the results. Doesn't make sense, and that is why I want you to get into that chat yourself. So I am offering you guys free forex trading course here on YouTube, and I'm going to be hosting live session every Sundays by 8 p.m. West African time, so you guys can attend. We started yesterday, and I'm taking it step by step with you guys. Yesterday lesson was on how to choose a regulated broker, and also how to link your broker to your MetaTrader 4 or 5. Believe me, that is the first step you need to start your forex trading journey, because a lot of people started with the wrong broker, and they live to regret it up till now. So if you are in my community and you are not benefiting from this, then I don't know what you're doing. You don't have any excuse. It's absolutely free, and there is a replay here on YouTube, but I'm not sure if the replay is going to be here on YouTube for long. So I want you to create time. When it's Sunday 8 p.m, I want you to join the live session. And I'm making it live session here on YouTube because you guys will have a lot of questions to ask, so I want you guys to ask these questions in classes because I want you guys to participate. Our next class will focus on how to set up your trading view, so that we can start with the practical aspect fully. If you participate in this free trading course and you do the right things, you are literally working it in. Trading pays, and I want you guys to get it right, and that is why I'm taking my time to do all of these things for you guys. I don't want to be the only one in my community making profit. It doesn't make sense. That is not the will of God. I'm building a community that I want us to grow together. So that is what this is about. And I want you guys to send analysis to the group chat and join the conversation. Let's know what we are doing. Let's do your own analysis. That is why I am teaching you guys free forex trading course on YouTube. So I have the replay still here on YouTube, so you can check my channel and then watch the replay. I know I've been away from YouTube for a while now. I told my community on Telegram group that I'm relocating. You guys know how difficult it is, house hunting in Abuja and relocation and the rest. So I'm still settling in, but I just said, let me make a video today so we can get to talk. I miss you guys so much. I miss you guys. Okay, so you guys, I entered this trade early in the morning, and this is how it's going. And you can see I'm marking out my breakout structure. This is a breakout structure. I'm marking out my breakout structure because price is literally going back upward. Let's go to 3 minutes. So you can see constantly creating internal breakout structure to the downside, which is a good sign. You can see, but then I don't want it to go up again. I don't want it to create a breakout structure here and go up. If that means this market is ranging, I want it to start coming downward now. You can see created this breakout structure, went up to mitigate, created this breakout structure, did the same thing. I want it to drag all the way down. This is how this trade is going. And also for my mentorship course, how will I ever forget? I'm still working on it. I'm giving you guys the best. It's not about paying for mentorship and just buying the course and not learning anything. I want you guys to so learn and master this trading skill that you would quit your job and start trading full time. That is the goal. So I'm still working on the mentorship courses.
A few moments later.
This is how the trade played out. I took partial at the recent low there, and this is the profit. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Our one-on-one mentorship session is still available. Next batch, you can as well join the next batch. And also, I'd love to invite you to come trade with us on the Telegram channel. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. I'm hosting a live session here on YouTube, teaching beginners, absolute beginners, intermediates, or if you are interested in learning smart money concepts, I'm teaching live here on YouTube by 8 p.m. West African time. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay profitable and stay blessed. See you guys. Bye.